Today I'm going to be doing a review for you guys on the UniWigs Serena wig. I also really like the price point because the price point is lower than a lot of other lace top wigs, human hair wigs. Here she is. She is this beautiful color. I think it's called the cold coffee color. I'll put it in the description in the bio though. But really beautiful. There's lots of dimension, a slightly darker root, and really pretty ends. It is a lace top with a wefted back, and it does have adjustable straps depending on your circumference. So here's the lace. It is a really nice thin lace. Let me show you what it looks like on my hand. So it blends in really nicely, and if you add additional powder, it will like blend it even more. And now I'm going to put on a wig grip. And then my method for putting on wigs is the dive method, if you haven't seen it before. But I just dive right in, put my head in. Now, you can do it in any different type of part, right? This wig, the color is perfect. It really, really does look just like my hair before I started losing it. It is nice and it's a good density of hair. It straightens nicely, it curls nicely. I like the lace top. Now I'll show you a few tricks that you can do to make the lace look a little bit more like scalp. I'm going to take, UniWigs provides these brushes and they're absolutely fantastic. What I do here is I put a little bit of like the lightest powders that I have in whatever eyeshadow palette is handy. And I will take these colors, and then I'll use this little brush here to get it in a second. See? So it looks pretty nice. Overall, I really like this wig. I think the length is nice. So here's the back. Side. Yeah. So overall, I like this wig.